Today I'm going to be making some fresh, organic, blood-boosting juice. This juice is excellent for supporting cardiovascular and menstrual health. Want to know what's in it? Let me show you. First step in the juicer today is some ginger. Ginger is really amazing because it supports the blood in proper clotting. They're also really high in antioxidants, which help to reduce the formation of plaque in our blood. Ginger is infamous for boosting immunity, reducing stress, and also lowering blood sugar. Next, I'm adding in some kale, specifically the red kale, because of its purple color. It has more antioxidants than the other varieties of kale. Kale has one of the highest amounts of vitamin K of all the vegetables, and vitamin K is really essential for the blood to be able to clot normally. This helps the body to heal from injuries. Kale is also really high in vitamin A, which is important for healthy vision, clear skin, and it supports reproductive health as well as immunity. Carrots have an amazing ability to help keep the blood sugar levels in our bodies under control. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals, and also they can increase the level of something called hemoglobin in your blood. Now, hemoglobin is essential for transferring oxygen in your blood from the lungs into the tissues. And since carrots can help to increase the level of hemoglobin, we love those carrots. Carrots also contain potassium, which helps to relax blood vessels and therefore reduces the risk of high blood pressure. Aloe vera is an amazing plant. It helps to regenerate the body's natural ability to produce red blood cells, and it does this by stimulating the bone marrow, which is where red and white blood cells are made. Aloe vera also has the ability to prevent constipation and manage blood sugar levels when we eat the whole leaf, including the green part, which is why I love to juice aloe vera. Aloe vera also supports that healthy, glowing skin from the inside out. Normally, I'd recommend eating your apples because they contain a good amount of fiber, which is super for digestion. But today I'm adding them to the juice for a little bit of sweetness. The skin of apples is also rich in flavonoids, which are really amazing in helping to regulate blood pressure. In addition to supporting cardiovascular health, flavonoids also promote a healthy gut microbiome. Last but not least, I'm adding beet root to this juice, and that's what gives it its rich red color. Beet root is a powerhouse of iron, calcium, and folic acid amongst a plethora of other vitamins and minerals. I'm also adding in the beet greens because these have nutrients that boost our immunity and strengthen our bones. One really awesome thing about beetroot is that it can help with water retention and bloating. It can also give us an extra boost of energy when we're feeling a little bit low on energy. It's best to enjoy the fresh pressed juice as soon as possible after making it. That way you get all the benefits of the nutrients from each of the ingredients. Do you like fresh juice? Let me know in the comments. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to see when new videos are posted.